that Subaru power kicked into you, for you. I can totally feel like when people are in the car that it's slower. This is a pretty light car.
Say hi, Jaden.
Pretty fast?
Yeah.
Pretty loud?
Very loud.
I had the more dramatic, I had the ceramic clutch. It actually, it grabbed better between gears. This one, I feel like I can be rough on it, but it's harder to really crisply shift.
Mm-hmm.
This one is way nicer and like stop and go.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a regular, whatever they call it, Kevlar material or whatever, organic material. But the ceramic one would grab like really good. It felt really nice, but it sucked in any kind of traffic.
It would either just go, stop
like,
or go. There's
yeah,
no
it was just kind of
between.
like, I didn't like that jerkiness to it.
Did you demo out the AC?
The AC was kind of already not, like they ripped out half the plumbing, so I just ripped out the condenser because it's just extra weight at that point.
Gotcha.
And I took out the AC radiator because it's not doing anything, so I just have better airflow for actual cooling. Y'all ready? Roll into it. This is my normal mode.
Sounds good too with the exhaust like that.
Yeah. It's not like, it just has a little tone to it.
If you want, you have to close your window. You can tell me some stuff about the car. So, what are some of the mods that you did to it?
This car has a 20G fancier eBay turbo, 1050cc injectors, still on regular pump fuel gas, so 92
Wait,
octane.
1050cc?
1050cc
Wow.
injectors.
And my Golf's like a 350.
Yeah, and it's kind of probably maxed out for the stock engine. It's like, it peaks at like 25 PSI in Sport Sharp. Intelligent mode, I think I have it set to 18 PSI, Sport like 20, and then Sport Sharp is like kind of the kill switch. Just did the head gaskets, of course. Subaru, every Subaru story. But yeah, hasn't been overheating a bit. Oil pressure's good. But I do run like heavy duty oil, 15W50 for especially summer. You'll see in the heat at idle, your pressure will drop. And then of course, as soon as you drive it kicks back up. But yeah, I feel like this is more of a fall or spring or winter type of car. They say the most a-hole drivers in the summer are BMW drivers, and it's in the winter it's Subaru drivers. So I'm in both camps. But I try to be a nice driver. I try to be safe and considerate on the roads. I honestly, this car, I'll drive it calmly to work, and I've not had a day where someone doesn't try to race me. I'll be like, tired, cruise control, and then it'll be like a Mustang, a Charger, or like a Beamer, just like.
So how does it handle up to those cars?
it to go too fast, but there was a newer M3, like a F80 M3, and we kind of took off, and we were neck and neck. I know those are pretty good, like high horsepower Beamers. It's a straight 6 twin turbo. And he later found me on Facebook. He's like, "Bro, your car sounds so cool." I was like, "Nice." This video should show how it sounds on the outside. I usually don't hear that, so I'm excited as well. But otherwise, I'll probably definitely always like Subarus. They are a little picky, like high maintenance for a Japanese car. But it's probably because people beat on them and
don't take care of them. But this
Yeah.
one's well taken care of.
Yeah, I mean, big thing is regular oil changes, and then big maintenance items, probably like any other turbo car, is you fairly regularly need to do spark plugs. You need to gap them down because when you run higher boost, they blow out. And then coil packs. I tune a lot of Subarus where it's just the coil pack is acting up, and then people think their car's broken, and it's just a coil pack. And then definitely a lot of oil blow by, so it's good to get an oil separator, catch can, rig. That helps with a lot of issues. And then just watching your oil level. I religiously check my oil level like maybe every couple of weeks. But I don't have to add it often, but still, it's a known Subaru thing.
Any big regrets with this car if you switch over to BMW?
I love the STI 6-speed. I think the big plus of the STI over the WRX is the 6-speed. The engines you could tune, and I usually have people come over and they'll have a WRX and we tune it up and it's fast. It sometimes is even quicker than most STIs at the same power level because they have longer gears. And they'll write to me and be like, "Yo, I raced a STI on a freeway and I smoked it." And I'm like, "Yeah, because he has to shift one more extra time, and then so you smoke him on your long gears." But like on those back roads you just saw, I love rowing through